Hey YouTube, I am the one and only Toya Cherie, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna get into this video, honey, and these passion twists that I feel is an epic fail for me. I tried it, I don't like it. Don't get me wrong, I think they're cute. I think they're okay on me. I did get compliments and things like that, but I don't think I really felt too confident in these. The process was just, it really was tedious. My twist just wouldn't cooperate, and I don't know if it's because I am relaxed, like my hair, I have relaxed hair. So I don't know if it was just too straight to, stay within the twist, because mine kept on unraveling, and I'm like, really? What are we doing? I had to keep on redoing some of them. So I don't know, it was just really tedious. They don't tell you how tedious it is. Okay, it took me over the course of 2 days to complete, and that's because I was doing different things in between. But still, it was very long, tedious. My fingers were getting numb, like they were hurting. I had to take breaks. I'm like, this is crazy. And then on top of that, I had to find what was working for my hair. So I would try to use, 2 strands and make them a little thicker. Didn't work. My hair would just unravel right on out of there. And I'm like, dang. Then I had to redo it. So I found that using smaller pieces for me worked for my hair. I mean, it worked somewhat, it worked better. So I just used 1 strand, and then I was using smaller sections. Like this is a small section, and I had to use small sections like this so that it could stay and not unravel too much. So I eventually found out that kind of worked better for me. But overall, I don't really like them. I think they're okay, like I said, but I don't think that this style is for me. I'm probably gonna take these out in the next 2 days. I tried it, didn't really like it, and that's that. I just wanted to tell you all that. I'm gonna insert a video here of how I did my twists, just for anyone who wanted to see the process that I did go through to do it.
Okay guys, so let's get into it. We're going to start with the Freetress Braid Water Wave in 22 inches. Some edge control, of course. You need some hair lotion. Also, I used some eco styling gel and a little bit of mousse at the end. You're also going to need some rubber bands. Okay, so what I did was, of course, like I told you before, I used smaller sections. So I used 1 piece of the hair, and you're gonna wanna separate it. Now, a lot of people fluffed it more. I found that me not fluffing it as much helped me a little better. So I did separate it, but I didn't fluff it too much. But of course, you can fluff it to your, own desire. So I put some lotion, hair lotion, on the piece first. And then I separated it into 2 little sections. Then I took the hair piece and I used some of the gel, and I put it on the middle part of the hair, of the weave hair, just so I can know where the middle part is. And then I placed it, I laid it across the middle of the 2 hair sections of my hair. Go ahead and pull your 2 strands of hair together, get the rubber band, and then you tie it. Now, it does not have to be super tight. You don't have to pull your edges, none of that. Just tie it, so that it's at least secure. And so once that's secure and tight, you pull the two pieces down, and voila, you have your hair mixed in with the weave hair, and it's secured and tightened, you know, to your hair. So then I go ahead and I take the gel and I put it on both ends at the beginning. At the very beginning, I put it on both ends just so I can already have it, you know, smooth out. And I start to twist it at the beginning, and I twist one end up and one end down. And then once I twist one end up and one end down, I go ahead and I cross it to twist them. So then now I'm twisting as I am twisting. So you twist up and then you cross. You're twisting and then you're crossing. You twist and then you cross. And that's to blend in your hair with the weave hair. And then you can always pull up, you know, as you're twisting. And I had to continually use gel as I was twisting my hair down, because my hair, of course, kept on unraveling, and it was just frustrating. So I used a lot of gel as I went down, and which is why once I got to the end of my hair, where my hair ended, I stopped doing the twisting, and I just regular twisted, two-strand twisted all the way down. And as I was two-strand twisting, I started using the Eco Styling Gel, and I was just applying that as I was regular twisting. So there I'm regular twisting, and I also would be applying the Eco Styling Gel as I was twisting down. And that's just to help it secure it in, smooth it out. So that's what I did all the way down to the end. When I get down to the bottom, I just kind of twisted it out. And that's pretty much how it looked. I'm gonna do one more piece for you just to show you how, again, one more time, how I did it. And of course, this took hours to even perfect. Like how I'm doing it now, it was trial and error, okay? Your girl's fingers were numb. So again, you fluff it to your desired taste. You know, I fluffed mine, but I didn't fluff it too much. Again, I went ahead and put some edge control in the middle of the piece. Then I applied it to the hair, took a rubber band, and tied my two strands of hair up. And again, it does not have to be tight, okay? But we like our edges. Yes. Boom, there we go again. So see, I have my two strands, and now I'm applying the gel to the very tips, the very root of it. I'm sorry, the very root of it, and I start twisting it first. Twist one up, twist one down. And once you twist one up, twist one down, then you'll go ahead and start cross twisting. And then as you're cross twisting, you are twisting your hair and then twisting. And apply gel continually throughout the process of twisting and twisting your hair. And again, you can pull up to tighten the strands as you go. I mean, once you get it, the technique is easy, but you have to get it first, and then you have to find out what works for your hair. And again, like I said, my hair, it would unravel, and even when I would do some little perfect pieces I thought were really good, later they would unravel. So I really just had to figure out what worked best for my hair. And again, I think the hairstyle for me came out okay, but it's just not something that I would probably wear again. And again, once you get to the bottom, I start to just free twist, regular 2-strand twist, and I used the Eco Styling Gel as I was 2-strand twisting down. And those are how my 2 twists came out.
You guys are following me on Instagram, because you can also see, how I was wearing these twists, throughout the day for some days. And, I have some other interesting things on Instagram. So follow me. Okay, I'm at Toya Cherie. Don't forget it. Go ahead and follow me. Follow me. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you have any, stories, let me know. Let me hear them. Am I the only one who was crazy, going crazy doing these twists? Like, I felt like I was going crazy. Okay. I don't know. So tell me your stories. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Let me know. And I want to read them. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you all in my next video.